Alright, here's a video of Chevy's old Silverado remade. Got a makeover. He thought it was stolen. There was broken glass when he came out and the truck was gone. Had disappeared for 2 weeks. And it came back with an all new makeover. Got new rims, 22 inches. It's a 2000 Silverado extended cab, 3-door. It's got a 327 V8. It's got smoked headlights and taillights. Going to fire that mug up. There's Chevy. Cool.
Oh yeah.
What do you got to say to the camera?
I love my truck.
Let's hear some exhaust. Look at them awesome. Ah, yeah, I got the true dual flow masters coming out the roll pan. She's a sweetheart. Say goodbye, Chevy.
Goodbye, Chevy.